I believe in this so much so that I created a model and a method. It's called Control the Controllables. We split it up to two groups: performance controls and mindset controls. It's my belief, ladies and gentlemen, that if we put our energy and effort into these things right here, we can be our best version of ourselves. And that best version is elite.
I've seen Raymont speak multiple times, and I love it every time I see it.
Windstorm Insurance Conference. Ladies and gentlemen, are you guys ready to do some elites or not?
I do this because it's my purpose.
Raymont made a great, phenomenal speech out there about controlling the controllables. He said that when sticking to your goals, are you committed or are you just interested in them?
I don't know who needs to hear this, but don't quit. You're close. You're right there. Don't do it. They don't need you to be perfect. They don't need flashes of brilliance. They need you to be consistent. Because consistency is the quickest and surest way to rebuild trust in this industry. And the great thing about that, ladies and gentlemen, is it's 100% in your control. You can't fight negativity with negativity, and it's hard to have a positive life with a negative mindset. Do you hate losing enough that you're willing to change? Or do you hate change so much that you're willing to lose? My name is Raymont Harris, and the company is EMP, Elite Mindset and Performance.